welcome to Simple Cooking, Made Simple with Carolina Chef. Today, we're gonna make Chick-fil-A nuggets. Just kidding, we're doing Carolina Chef's chicken nuggets. Almost look like Chick-fil-A's nuggets, but these are kid approved, and your dummies will love them. So watch the rest of this video to see how we make this amazing plate of chicken nuggets, Carolina Chef style. So let's get started. We have 2.5 cups of flour that has 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1/4 cup of Hidden Valley ranch dressing seasoning, and then we have some onion powder, some garlic, some seasoning salt, some thyme, some chili powder, and some smoked paprika. And we're just going to mix this together. And I'll have all of the measurements of everything so everyone knows how much we used. So that's our flour mixture for our chicken nuggets. We have 1.5 pounds of chicken tenders cut up, and it is marinated in buttermilk, sweet and spicy pickle juice, about 1/4 cup of honey mustard, some pepper, seasoning salt, smoked paprika, garlic, and onion powder. So we marinated that for about 6 hours, and then we will put it in our breading and we'll start to fry. So now we're going to start breading our chicken in our flour mixture. And I have my safety glasses on today.
Never know when grease is going to fly.
That's very true. So I'm going to put all the chicken in here. Just try to get the buttermilk mixture off so you're not having a bunch of lumpies in here. And then we want to mix this really good to get a good coating on our chicken tenders. Now we have a good coating on our chicken tenders. We've heated our oil up to 300. And we're just going to start. So we got a nice little sizzle. And now we're going to let these cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. And we want them to 165 degrees, a minimum of 165. So we're going to stir this around just to make sure the chicken nuggets are not sticking to each other. And they're already getting a nice golden brown. These are so good. My boys love these, and they say they're better than Chick-fil-A's chicken nuggets and McDonald's. So that's a win-win-win. Now we're going to test the temp, see what these are at. And you want to take the temp of a couple of these, especially the bigger ones. So we're already at 184, and then we'll check another one. We're at 194, so these don't take long. And I can tell they already have a nice crunch. So we'll take these out and put them on our paper towel plates. But these look delicious. I know my boys can't wait to dig in. So we finished our chicken nuggets. Great, they smell great. We have some Ken's honey mustard dressing that we'll eat with these. If you want a substitute from going out to eat and something that your kids will love, go with these chicken nuggets. They are wonderful. So I want to thank you guys for watching today. And make sure you do the 3 S's. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. God bless.
What's up, TikTok? It's the Carolina Chef here, a version of the Chick-fil-A nuggets. Your tummies will love you then. TikTok, it's the Carolina Chef.